Hi, this is Gary with MacMost.com. MacMost is brought to you by the more than 300 people who contribute to the MacMost Patreon campaign. Find out how you can become a part of that at MacMost.com/Patreon. So let's talk about file extensions. File extensions are the letters, usually about 3 or 4 letters after the dot or period in a file name. For instance, .x, .jpg, .mp4. These are file extensions. If you don't see them here, you can go to Finder Preferences, and under Advanced you can check Show All File Name Extensions. You see these here despite the fact I have that turned off because I've used those file name extensions. I've used them when I've renamed or saved the file. And macOS is smart enough to know to display them. Matter of fact, if you select a file, do Command-I to get info on it, you'll see a Hide Extension checkbox. That's off here, meaning it's going to show that extension for this file no matter what I have set in that preference. So what about these extensions? You've got an extension like JPG. Well, sometimes you don't see JPG, you'll see JPEG. Which one's correct? Well, both are fine. You can go back and forth between either one of those. On your Mac it really doesn't matter. Your Mac's going to understand either one. JPG I can double click and it will open up in preview and knows it's a JPEG file. I can do Command-I in preview and it shows document type JPEG image. So it knows from inside the image what type it is. The extension is just a little convenience. So I could change that. So somebody would ask, how do you convert from JPG to JPEG? You don't convert. You just change the file name. Matter of fact, macOS doesn't even complain when you switch between those two because it knows they're the same thing. If I double click on it, it opens up in preview as before. The only reason you would want to change the name is because sometimes different services or websites ask you to submit something and they want you to submit a JPEG and they don't accept, say, the format with the E in it. Maybe you have an old JPEG image and it has an E. So you can just take the E out and you're fine. You can even try to fool macOS and it won't work. I can, for instance, take away the extension completely and it's fine with that. It still opens up in preview. Still knows it's a JPEG. I can change to some thing like XXX and it doesn't really care about that. It still knows it's a JPEG image. I can even go and try to fool it and say it's not a JPEG image, it's a TIFF image, which is an older image format. Now here it will complain a bit about changing the file format or the extension. But when I go to open it up, it still opens it up. It goes and looks at it and says, yeah, okay, it's an image. Send it to preview. And preview says, oh, this is actually a JPEG image. So I'll ignore this here. So you could do that. Now you normally wouldn't want to do that with a third-party app or some other apps. For instance, the docx format is a Microsoft Word document. So if I double click that it will open up Microsoft Word. But if I were to change it to something, like I would change it to JPEG, then it thinks it's an image, changes the icon even, and if I try to open it up it's going to say, well, let's let preview handle that, and preview says, I don't know what this is. So you get an error. So you can't just change it. It doesn't ignore the file extension altogether. But there's certain things you can change between, like JPEG and JPEG with an E. Videos are really interesting because videos have different extensions like MP4, MOV, or M4V. These are called containers. The types of files that they are, containers. They contain content. So it's not really an MOV video. It's an MOV container and inside of it is something which may actually be an MP4 video. So you can sometimes, matter of fact quite often, change the file name very easily. It's similar to if you think of an envelope. An envelope, the physical one you send through the mail, could contain a letter, could contain a check, could contain a birthday card. Still an envelope and you can't really tell what's inside by just looking at the envelope. Those file extensions indicate a container type and they can contain similar things. Typically MOV containers can contain all sorts of old formats that used to be QuickTime formats, including MP4 or MPEG-4 files. But an MP4 extension should only contain things that are MPEG-4 videos, which are most videos. And M4V is an even newer version of MP4 video. So you can make changes. I can, for instance, double click on this file. It opens up a QuickTime Player. But if I change the file extension to MOV, then my Mac is fine with that. It'll open it up, QuickTime Player, just as before. And if I change it to M4V, it will also work just as before. Now, when I do Command I inside of QuickTime Player, you can see it says the format H.264. That's what's actually inside. That's the equivalent to, say, birthday card, check, or letter inside of the container. So all of those file containers, MOV, MP4, M4V, it doesn't matter when it comes to H.264. It all fits. And the same's true for this, which is an older type of MPEG-4 video, not H.264, but still pretty standard. So it doesn't matter. It only really matters what the extension is, perhaps with a much older video, like pre-iPhone video, where you may have recorded something with a camcorder, or maybe you still use an older piece of equipment that records in different things like an AVI format or something. Then the file extension may matter. But for most things that are MOV, MP4, or M4V, you can change the file name if you want. You shouldn't. You should use the file name generated by whatever app created the file. But if you find the need to change it, for instance, a website wants you to submit an MP4 and you have an MOV, just change the file extension and it most likely will work. So the basic thing is just don't stress about what the actual extension is, and before you ever try to convert video, consider that the video may already be in the proper format. It's just the file extension that needs to be changed.